Welcome to ISO Bitesize mock test number 3 for ISO 9001 Auditor. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the definition of a nonconformity in ISO 9001? Take a moment to think. The answer is a failure to meet a requirement. Question 2. What does Clause 5.3 focus on in relation to top management? Give yourself a second. The answer is assigning and communicating responsibilities and authorities. Question 3. What is required before releasing products or services to the customer? Let that one settle in. The answer is verification that the product or service meets requirements. Question 4. What should an organization do with customer complaints? Take a moment to reflect. The answer is treat them as input for corrective action and improvement. Question 5. Why is documented information important in ISO 9001? Think that over. The answer is to ensure consistency, traceability, and evidence of conformity. Question 6. What is the purpose of monitoring customer satisfaction? Let it sink in. The answer is to evaluate whether customer expectations are being met. Question 7. How should risks be handled within a quality management system? Take a second. The answer is they should be identified, evaluated, and addressed through planning. Question 8. What must be considered when determining the scope of the QMS? Have a think. The answer is external and internal issues, interested parties, and the organization's products and services. Question 9. What does Clause 6.3 cover? Give yourself a moment. The answer is planning of changes to the quality management system. Question 10. What does the term process approach mean in ISO 9001? Think about it for a second. The answer is managing activities as interconnected processes to achieve consistent results. Question 11. Why must performance of suppliers be evaluated? Take a little time to decide. The answer is to ensure that externally provided products and services meet requirements. Question 12. What is the requirement regarding changes to documented information? Let that one settle. The answer is changes must be reviewed and approved before implementation. Question 13. What is expected under Clause 7.1.6? Take a second. The answer is to consider organizational knowledge as a resource. Question 14. When should corrective action be taken? Give yourself a moment. The answer is when a nonconformity occurs and it's necessary to prevent recurrence. Question 15. What is the purpose of Clause 10.1 on improvement? Let's give that a moment. The answer is to determine and select opportunities for improvement and implement actions. Question 16. What is needed to demonstrate leadership in the quality management system? Think carefully. The answer is actively promoting the use of the process approach and risk-based thinking. Question 17. How should the organization respond to opportunities for improvement? Take a little time. The answer is by identifying them and taking action to enhance performance. Question 18. What must be retained as evidence of conformity in production and service provision? Let that one sink in. The answer is records showing that the product or service meets the acceptance criteria. Question 19. What does Clause 9.3.2 require in a management review? Think that through. The answer is review of information on performance and effectiveness of the QMS. Question 20. What should be done if monitoring and measuring equipment is found to be out of calibration? Take a moment. The answer is assess the validity of previous results and take appropriate action. Remember to listen again until you get all the answers correct. If you enjoyed this for learning about ISO 9001, find us on Facebook under ISO Bitesize. Search ISO Bitesize on the platform you listened here for more mock tests.